Hey everyone, it is meteorologist Christy Shields. Today we are going to have some scattered showers arriving this evening, and then overnight tonight a cold front moves through into Friday morning. Behind that cold front, winds are going to pick up, be very strong and potentially damaging. So here's your heads up. We could see damaging winds on Friday greater than 50 miles an hour. Where can we expect these winds? Basically anywhere here in central Pennsylvania, but especially in our western counties and on the ridge tops. And when this is going to occur is early Friday morning into early Friday afternoon. And then those winds will start to diminish and we will see better conditions on Saturday. So just to give you an idea, wind speeds are that constant speed of wind throughout the entire afternoon. And a wind gust is a big burst of wind. And so if we take a look at the constant wind speed tomorrow, we could see it between 25 to 30 miles an hour. That's quite strong. And we will see again a southerly breeze. This is Friday at 5 in the morning. But then once that cold front moves through, it turns more westerly and those winds really pick up. So this is Friday at 1:30 in the afternoon. You see those winds sustain between 25 to 30 miles an hour. By 7:15 Friday evening, that's when those winds continuing from the west, but they start to diminish down to 10 to 15 miles an hour, and we'll continue to see those winds dying down into Saturday morning. But by Friday afternoon, that's when those strongest wind gusts could occur. Again, that's a burst of wind, a quick burst, and we could see wind gusts tomorrow between 50 to 60 miles an hour in some spots. So again, potential for some damaging winds here on a Friday. How can we get ready for this? If you have anything outdoors that could blow away, you want to make sure to secure that down today, because today, again, mixture of clouds and sunshine for most of the afternoon. We really don't see rain until the evening, so secure anything outdoors that could blow away. Also, there is the potential for some scattered power outages. Not expecting a lot, but it could happen, so make sure to have any devices charged today so that you're ready to go for tomorrow, like your cell phone, laptop, or tablet, and even put in some batteries, new batteries into a flashlight, because the National Weather Service has issued a high wind watch for all of the counties here in central Pennsylvania. Begins early Friday morning, continuing until Friday evening at 6 in the evening, and then we'll slowly see those winds diminishing and conditions improving into Saturday. And if you are traveling tomorrow, also watch for some debris or tree branches down on the roadways or even some trash cans. And then, like I said, things improve on Saturday.